If you've never stayed in an American hotel before, some things might genuinely surprise you. A lot of international travelers expect hotels in the United States to work the same way they do in Europe, Asia, or South America, but that's often not the case. From hidden fees and massive room sizes to tipping culture and strange hotel habits, staying in an American hotel can feel very different depending on where you're from. Some differences are great, some are frustrating, and some simply confuse first-time visitors. In this video, we're going to go through the biggest things that shock international travelers about American hotels. But before we start, welcome to Travel Wisdom. What's your biggest hotel pet peeve when traveling? Please tell me in the comments. Now, let's get started. One of the first things that shocks many visitors is the hidden fees. A hotel room in the United States often costs more than the price you originally see online. Many hotels add taxes, resort fees, destination fees, parking fees, or other charges during checkout. Travelers from countries where taxes are already included in advertised prices are often surprised when the final total suddenly becomes much higher. In cities like Las Vegas, New York City, or Miami, these extra charges can become extremely expensive. Another thing that surprises people is how large American hotel rooms often are. Compared to many hotels in Europe or parts of Asia, rooms in the United States can feel huge. Beds are larger, bathrooms are bigger, and rooms often include things like large TVs, coffee machines, microwaves, mini fridges, and powerful air conditioning. For some travelers, this feels luxurious. For others, it feels excessive. Speaking of air conditioning, many international visitors are shocked by how cold American hotels can get indoors. Hotels, malls, restaurants, and casinos in the United States often use extremely strong air conditioning, especially during summer. In places like Las Vegas or Orlando, the difference between outdoor heat and indoor temperatures can feel extreme. Another major surprise is the tipping culture. In some American hotels, tipping is expected for services like housekeeping, bellhops, valet parking, and room service. Travelers from countries without a tipping culture are often confused about when to tip, how much to tip, and whether tipping is mandatory. Even though tipping hotel housekeeping isn't always required, many Americans still leave a few dollars per day. Parking is another thing that shocks visitors, especially the cost. Many travelers assume hotel parking is included, but in major American cities, parking fees can become incredibly expensive. Hotels in downtown areas sometimes charge over $50 per night just for parking. And then there's valet parking, which is very common in the United States compared to many countries. Another thing international travelers notice quickly is how dependent many American hotels are on cars. Outside dense cities like New York City or Chicago, hotels are often located near highways, large roads, or suburban areas, rather than walkable city centers. This surprises many European travelers who are used to walking everywhere. A hotel may technically be close to restaurants or stores, but without sidewalks or good public transportation, walking can still feel difficult or unsafe. Breakfast is another cultural difference that travelers often notice. Many international travelers expect those large hotel breakfast buffets, kind of like the ones you find in Europe, Turkey, or parts of Asia. But in the United States, breakfast quality really varies a lot depending on the hotel. Some hotels offer excellent breakfasts, while others might just have very basic options like waffles, cereal, bagels, coffee, or maybe eggs. Especially at budget hotels, it can feel a bit disappointing if you're expecting a full international-style breakfast. Another thing that surprises a lot of people is ice machines. In many American hotels, you'll find free ice machines right there in the hallway. This feels completely normal to Americans, but it's actually pretty unusual for many foreign visitors. Americans also tend to use much more ice in their drinks compared to a lot of other countries. Noise can also surprise international travelers. American hotels sometimes feel louder than you might expect because walls can be thinner, air conditioning systems are often pretty loud, and highways might be nearby. Plus, guests may speak loudly in the hallways, and in party cities like Las Vegas or Miami, nightlife noise can become especially noticeable. Another thing visitors often notice is how friendly but also scripted customer service can feel. American hotel staff often greet guests enthusiastically and ask questions like, "How's your day going?" or "Where are you visiting from?" and even, "Do you need anything at all?" For travelers from more reserved cultures, this can feel surprisingly personal, or maybe even a bit overly energetic at first. But many visitors also end up loving the friendliness. One thing that shocks many people negatively is hotel deposits. Even after paying for the room, hotels often place temporary holds on your credit card for incidentals. This money may stay blocked for days after checkout. International travelers who don't expect this sometimes panic when they suddenly see missing money on their bank account. Another surprise is how early many American hotels expect checkout. Checkout times around 11 a.m. are very common, and late checkout may cost extra. Finally, many travelers are surprised by just how different hotel quality can feel, even within the same star rating. A 3-star hotel in one country may feel completely different from a 3-star hotel in the United States. Reviews become extremely important because standards vary more than many visitors expect. At the end of the day, staying in an American hotel can feel exciting, confusing, convenient, and occasionally frustrating all at once, especially for first-time visitors. Some travelers love the large rooms, strong air conditioning, and friendly service, while others are shocked by hidden fees, tipping culture, and car dependency. But understanding these differences before your trip can make your experience much smoother and help you avoid some very common surprises international visitors face in the United States. What's your biggest hotel pet peeve when traveling? Please tell me in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.